Welcome! In this video, we'll be comparing two of the most popular truck engines in the US, Detroit Diesel and Cummins. We'll be discussing the companies, their performance, service, and locations, as well as engine ranges. So, let's get started. Detroit Diesel Corporation is a US-based engine manufacturer that has been producing engines since 1938 and is a subsidiary of Daimler Truck North America, the world's biggest truck manufacturer. They are known for their innovative designs and technologies, and their engines are used in the truck brands Freightliner and Western Star. Cummins, on the other hand, is a global company that produces engines for a variety of applications, including trucks, buses, and construction equipment. They produce truck engines to the truck brands Freightliner, International, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Volvo, and Western Star, and have one of the industry's broadest engine ranges. Cummins have been in the engine business since 1919 and have a reputation for producing reliable, high-quality engines for a broad selection of power solutions. Engine ranges. Detroit offers a range of engines to suit different applications, including the DD5, DD8, and DD13 engines, in addition to the flagship DD15 engine and the powerful DD16. Cummins, on the other hand, offers a wider range of engines, including the X12, X15, L9, and B6.7 engines. Each engine has its own unique features and benefits, and the choice of engine will depend on the specific application. When it comes to fuel efficiency, both engines are relatively efficient, with the Cummins X15 achieving slightly better fuel economy in some applications. However, fuel efficiency can vary depending on the specific application and usage. In terms of reliability, both engines are generally considered to be reliable and have a good track record. When it comes to maintenance costs, it's difficult to make a direct comparison, as this can vary depending on factors such as usage, maintenance practices, and location, and much more. Performance. When it comes to performance, both Detroit and Cummins have a lot to offer. Detroit engines are known for their power and torque, with their flagship DD15 engine producing up to 505 horsepower and 1,850 pound-foot of torque, but also offers a stronger version, the DD16, with 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-foot of torque. Cummins engines are also renowned for their power and torque, with their X15 engine producing up to 605 horsepower and 2,050 pound-foot of torque. So both engines deliver about the same performance. Both engines are designed to be fuel efficient and use advanced exhaust aftertreatment systems, including selective catalytic reduction (SCR) and diesel particulate filters (DPF) to meet strict emissions regulations. Service and locations. Detroit and Cummins both have extensive service networks across the US, with Detroit offering support through its Detroit Connect suite of services and Cummins through its Cummins Care program. Both companies also have extensive dealer networks, with Detroit having over 800 authorized dealers and Cummins having over 3,500 authorized service locations, which is a big advantage of the Cummins engine. Both trucks have an oil change interval of up to 50,000 miles. However, the specific maintenance requirements may vary depending on the vehicle and the operating conditions. Conclusion. So, which is the best American truck engine, Detroit or Cummins? It really depends on your specific needs and application. Both engines have their own unique features and benefits, and both are widely used and respected in the industry. Ultimately, the choice of engine will come down to factors such as performance, service, support, and cost. In addition, it is very important which brand of truck the engine is in, since a truck consists of much more than just the engine, and many people have a preference for a certain brand. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.